Hello students, welcome to the online English classes for class 8th. You all must have read the chapter Adventure is a Way of Life. I hope it must have liked it. It was very interesting and a very inspiring chapter, isn't it? How a father and daughter, Ajit and Diya Bajaj, they both with their full determination, dedication and discipline, they were both able to achieve what they wanted. So we understand by their mission, by their adventure, that if we are dedicated, if we are determined, and if we are disciplined in our life, we can achieve whatever we want to. Let it be as difficult as what possible, whatever, but we can achieve success. Let it be with our family, with our friends, with our parents, whatever. Yes. And Ajit and Diya Bajaj, Ajit was a Padma Shri awardee and they both were motivated by their parents. Basically, Ajit was always very motivated by his father, and the same thing Diya, because Ajit motivated his daughter, his elder daughter Diya. They both went on with various trainings. I think it's not needed to go with line to line because you all have understood everything. The chapter is pretty easy. Still, if you have any other questions, you can definitely ask me on your in the comment section. You can put up your questions. Okay, so how they both with various trainings and all, they both reached, they worked hard, they went on with the climbing of the mountain. They had undergone many various difficulties also. There were landslides, and how they were about, father was about to fall, but Diya, and he even was not able to find his oxygen mask, and which things were becoming difficult. But Diya, with her full presence of mind, though she was very upset that what will happen if father will fall down, then what will happen, how will she manage the things, but still, maybe keeping in mind that God is great, and maybe she has always learned from her father to very strongly and very confidently face the conditions. She went on and on, and she was about, she reached the place, and just behind her, her father, he found another extra oxygen mask in his bag, and he also used it, and he also reached along with her. So this was practically the that like both Diya and Ajit, they were so strongly dedicated in their mission. They were so much determined that yes, they have to do it. We should never give up at any moment of time. Be very, always, please remember this every time. Never try to give up. Oh, I cannot do it, forget about it. I'm not capable of doing so, or I am not very so strong, I will not do it. No, whenever you are, nobody has learned anything from right from birth. Everybody has to work hard, has to try and do it. So this is what both Diya and Ajit did it, and so we definitely understand from their life that we have to be very much focused on our mission, and then we'll be able to achieve our success. And when they both came back, their parents, everyone was very happy. They were welcomed by open hands, by a very warm welcome was given to them. And definitely that is why here we are talking about them in our books, because they have really achieved something unusual. The father and daughter pair reaching the Mount Everest the first time, and with facing all the difficulties, and then coming back home safe and sound. And then here they were giving the interview to the NDTV on 24th of May. So children, both, we can read from here that both father and daughter were so lucky, and as you all are lucky having such wonderful parents, such wonderful brothers and sisters, so respect all of them and try to achieve something great, and be determined, be focused on your missions, and definitely you will achieve as Diya and Ajit achieved success. Please now listen to this explanation once again. You have already got the lesson, the Words of the lesson you already have. It's been uploaded in the last module. Read it once again, and if you have not completed the question answers, please complete all the question answers in your copies. And that's all for this module. So this finishes our unit 1 of main course book. Have a nice time. Enjoy your summer camps. It will be really interesting, right? Bye bye. Thank you.